Alrighty, we got the ice cream truck motor in. So that's a straight 6 300 engine. About to start on its accessories, the starter. Put some oil in it. It has new motor mounts. Alrighty, looking good.